evening, my dear friends. I'm happy to be standing here as the president of Summer Inventors Club. Thank you so much, everyone, for believing in me. Let me share how my journey started in Summer Inventors Club. I joined this club since Standard 1. I love experimenting with new inventions and I wanted to platform to be able to improve my skills. This past 1 year, I not only improved my skills, I met great friends who helped me a lot in this journey. I'd like to thank my mentor, who is also my dad, Mr. Lim, for teaching me about science and inventions. I like playing Lego and I realized that I enjoy building my own Lego structures freely to my own imagination. Slowly, my dad introduced mini science experiments to me, and my first science experiment was building a battery-operated lift. I would like to thank my teammates for their encouragement. I also like to thank my parents for supporting me. Without them, I'll not be able to go this far. For new members, our Inventors Club has a lot of benefits. They are: Number 1, the first 10 new members will get a waiver on their membership fees. That means it's free if you're fast to join us. Number 2, the subsequent 20 members will get a 10% discount on their membership fees. Number 3, only allowed access to only during Mondays to Sundays from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. to a fully equipped science and inventions lab. Number 4, be able to try out new recreate science experiments that they have learned by theory in class in order to be able to experience real life science and to train the habit of experimenting before believing anything. Number 5, be able to have group work, which is highly necessary for advance of science. I will be serving for 1 year as president of Inventors Club. I would like to make an impact to all my fellow members. These are a few things in my plan which I will carry out. Number 1, encourage interest in science and inventions by having a monthly inventors fair where everyone has an opportunity to share their invention, but only members will be able to have help in obtaining patent rights. Number 2, organize a quality inventors competition week for members only. Number 3, invite Inventors Club from other schools to share ideas. I'll not be able to do this myself. That is why I need all of you. Teamwork makes the dream work. I'll serve with all my heart and I'll give my very best for Summer's Inventors Club. Thank you.